Hey everyone, Andy. Today we're diving into the Earfun Air 2 NC earbuds, as you can see just here. These earbuds promise top tier sound quality, noise cancellation, and plenty of premium features, all at a budget-friendly point. So guys, as you know, I don't just review products, I actually get out there and test them in the real world. So you're gonna see in this review, I'm gonna take them out to Kangaroo Point, cliffs, on a bridge, at the gym, so you guys can see how these actually work in practice. I don't just sit at home, I actually get out there and use them. So I can't wait. And as you can see, there they are just there. So we're gonna start off, guys, with an unboxing, so you guys can see how they look and test them out. So when you open the box, you're greeted with the sleek Earfun Air 2 NC earbuds, snuggled nestly in their ultra compact charging case. The design is understated yet elegant, with a matte black finish that feels both durable and premium. Alongside the earbuds, you'll find 4-size silicone ear tips to ensure the perfect fit, a USB-C charging cable, and a user manual. Now guys, it's a straightforward and satisfying unboxing experience, and very, very straightforward. And the thing I like about it as well is the earbuds are quite small too. You can see how small the case is just there. Now that fits perfectly into your pocket, so you can go and take it out and about. So when I use it, I put them in there and pop them into my pocket. It's that easy. Now let me tell you about my experience using them out and about. I started my day with a walk along the Kangaroo Point cliffs. If you've never been there, it's one of Brisbane's most picturesque spots in Brisbane. Stunning views of the river and the city skyline. It's also a busy area with joggers, cyclists, and the occasional boat engine noise. But there they are just there. They've got mics in them, great noise cancelling, great sound. The sound stage is very balanced as well. You don't get too very, very clear highs, trebles, mixes. I was listening to a bit of David Guetta then running along, actually. It's very, very nice. Guys, I've been running along Kangaroo Point listening to Earfun Air 2 NC earbuds, as you can see just here. What a great pair of earbuds. Do you know why? Because look how well they fit to start with. They're not moving at all in my ears, which is very, very important with ears. They have great active noise cancellation as well, so I can't hear most of those cars going past, and they fit well too. So yeah, they're really good. And you guys, I did another review of the Earfun earbuds previously too. Found it to be really, really good. We've got the occasional boat engine noise. This is where the adaptive noise cancellation really shines. It blocks out all the distractions, allowing you to immerse yourself in the music or podcast. I'll get every detail in the tracks I was listening to, from crisp highs to deep thumping bass. And as you can see, there's the traffic behind me as well. Again, I couldn't hear the traffic with the adaptive noise cancelling, and it sounded good. It was also very good for phone calls as well, talking to people. Next, I crossed the Kangaroo Point Bridge, and the Earfun Air 2 NC really are a great pair of earbuds. As you can see, I've been running around with them at the moment, using them for exercise, and they're perfect. They're not moving at all in my ears, which is great. Now, this is the newest bridge in Brisbane as well, Kangaroo Point Bridge, which I've opened up. Guys, if you're going to be seeing the Olympics, you'll be crossing this bridge if you come to Brisbane. Brilliant bridge, and it's great to be able to test these products in places like this as well. So the Earfun Air 2 NC earbuds really are a great pair, and what a great place to be testing them. So look for my further review coming through, but great noise cancelling, great microphones, the music sounds great, and all in all, a good pair of earbuds. New addition to Brisbane's landscape. It's a bustling city environment, but the Bluetooth 5.3 connection was rock solid, not a single dropout. And if you're an Android user, you'll love the LDAC support for high resolution audio. As you can see on the bridge, I was streaming tracks with crystal clear clarity, and it felt like I was right there in the studio with the artist. And guys, this bridge just opened and it cost $300 million, so check it out. And again, because it was so small, I could pop this into my pocket and didn't even know it was there. Later in the day, I hit the gym. This is where the Earfun Air 2 NC really impressed me. The earbuds stayed secure during intense workout exercises. The earbuds stayed secure during intense exercises, and the IPX5 water resistance handled sweat with no issues at all. I even switched to game mode to test the low latency while watching some workout tutorials. It works seamlessly with no noticeable delay between the audio and the video. And there you can see there the earbuds just there. Now don't they look amazing too? Now let's talk about phone calls. The 6 AI noise cancelling mics make a big difference. So I took a call while walking through the city, and the person at the end said my voice was crystal clear, even with traffic noise in the background. And that's because with the earbuds, as you can see, the microphone goes right to where your ear is. It's great. This is perfect for those who need reliable call quality on the go. So adaptive hybrid active noise cancellation, they say it blocks about 45 decibels of ambient noise, making it ideal for commuting, working out. Now, I found the noise cancellation to be quite good. I'm not sure if it was up to 45 decibels, but it's up to the higher end of the earbuds I've actually reviewed. The high-res audio as well, I've got an Apple iPhone Pro 15 Max, and the high-res audio worked perfectly. The 11mm wool composite dynamic drivers deliver a sound profile that's rich, clear, and immersive. The 3D sound technology as well, you could really see it. It enhanced the experience. making them a great choice for movies and gaming. And for guys, they are low-priced earbuds. To get that kind of sound in them is quite incredible. Now also, here's the Earfun Audio app. So it's incredibly user-friendly. So you can customize everything from your EQ settings to touch controls. You can even enable theater mode for more immersive sound, or even game mode for low latency audio. Very, very easy to use, and it's great for EQ settings. Because a lot of time with these earbuds, they come straight out of the box and they have just the factory settings on there. It's good to be able to change it up. Now these also have multi-connectivity, so you can switch multiple devices to these earbuds, and you can switch between them seamlessly. For me, I do a lot of work on my laptop and also my iPhone and my tablet. It's good to be able to switch all of them. How about battery life? Well, battery life, they also excel. You get 9 hours of playtime in a single charge with additional 31 hours from the charging case. And again, look at the charging case compared to my hand. It really is tiny. A quick 10-minute charge gives you 2 hours of playtime, which is perfect and if you're in a rush. And also guys, it does support wireless charging. So pop that onto a wireless charger and you can start using it straight away. Now, here's a feature guys I think you'll love. You can pair 2 earbuds for left and right stereo setup using the app. This is perfect for creating a wider soundstage, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just listening to your favorite tracks. So as you can see, whether you're using them, running on Kangaroo Point, going over a bridge, scootering, running, they're absolutely perfect. But they're also good to sit at home. Put on a movie and use these. They have great low latency as well, which is good for movies at home. They're really, really good. And again, guys, look in my ears as well. They just don't move at all. So Earfun Air N2NC, the Earfun Air 2NC earbuds are incredible value at $70. They offer features like adaptive noise cancellation, LDAC support, multi-device pairing, long battery life, and a customizable app, all in a comfortable design. Whether you're using them for exercise, commuting, or relaxing at home, they deliver a premium experience that's hard to beat at this price point. And again, look at them in my ears. They don't move, and you can just change the tracks by pressing that there as well. So guys, if you're interested in checking them out, I've included a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and tips, and also check out our giveaways. We're giving away $1,000 of prize at the moment, so thank you for joining the channel. Anyway, thanks for joining us guys, and see you later.